Hello everyone, so today we are going to see Matcha Green Tea face mask, which is really good for giving you that youthful and a clear and radiant looking face. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. Every man and woman loves to have an evening of self-pampering, and for this event, Matcha Green Tea face mask is just perfect. And the best part, aside from the way your skin will look and feel afterward, is that you most likely have everything you need in your kitchen at this very moment. So I'll be giving you some affiliate link for your convenience. If you want to check out, just go ahead. So for making this Matcha Green Tea face mask, you will need 1 teaspoon of Matcha Green Tea. Matcha Green Tea is a great source of antioxidant and caffeine, which helps to tighten your skin. Then 1 teaspoon of honey. You all know that honey is a great moisturizer, but it also has some great source of antioxidant and also contains antibacterial properties, so it will be of great help while treating your acne. And then at last, half teaspoon of olive oil. Olive oil is a great source of vitamin A and vitamin E, which brings nourishment to help balance your skin. So what you have to do is mix the above ingredient in a small bowl and apply a light layer onto your freshly washed face, avoiding the eye area. After 15 minutes, rinse off the warm water and dry with a clean towel. Hope you enjoy this face mask. And now it's time for second remedy. And for second remedy, you will need half teaspoon of matcha green tea powder. And I have already mentioned that I have gave you with affiliate link, so you could just check it out. Then half teaspoon of coconut oil. Then last, up to half teaspoon of warm water. And some basic things like small bowl, measuring spoon, and something to stir with. And the thing to be noted is that never use any ingredient if you're allergic to, and always do a patch test before trying out new ingredients so that you don't have any reactions to them. Then how to do is mix all the ingredient well into the bowl until it gets a paste form. Then apply it using your fingertips so that it won't be too powdery or too runny. And then next, apply all over your face and neck and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Then wash it off with warm water. So that it is just so easy to make. Do you know what to do with the rest of your matcha? Just throw a teaspoon in a cup of hot water and drink it just as you would green tea. Enjoy this mask and don't forget to comment your feedbacks. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like it and share it to others. So take care, bye bye.